What's going on, guys? Stephen here, S&E's Garage. Today we're here again with our 2021 Toyota Camry TRD, and we're going to be addressing an issue that I have been dealing with since I bought the car. It's one of my biggest gripes. I paid close to $40,000 for this car. Tax, motor vehicle was right around 36, and I don't believe that that expensive of a car should have a hood prop. They should have hood struts. So we're going to fix that today. The 2020 Camrys actually came with hood struts from the factory. And if you look on a parts manual, you can actually find all of those parts, which is actually pretty cool. So I was able to buy all of the parts. I'm going to list all the part numbers below that I need in order to make this work. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is 4 bolts. Part number is right here, 90119-A0479. This is the part number for the 4 bolts. You're going to need 4 of them. And then we have our brackets. Bracket hood support, part number 53481-06160. This is the hood stay bracket, 53337-06070. This is the left-hand support, 53482-06140. And this is the right hood stay, 53336-06080. And then last but not least, I actually found these on eBay out of a 2020 Camry that was wrecked to save some money. So if you want to do that, by all means you can. But these are the 2 hood struts. You have one that's labeled R right here for right, and one that's labeled L for left. And the part numbers are, let me see if I can find them. Alright, let's see here. So for the left one, it is 53450-06150. And the right one is 53440-06180. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to take all our parts, get them out of the bags, and we're going to start, putting these together. We're going to catch it all on video. You're going to see exactly how to do it. Like I said, I'm going to put these part numbers in the description as well, so that those of you that want to add these to your vehicle can do that. This will work for any 2018 and up Camry that doesn't have hood struts. All of the provisions are there for it, so we're going to make this happen. So the first thing here that I have to do is pull these trim panels off. There's one on this side and one on that side. You're going to do that by pulling straight up, and you'll feel the clip release, and you're going to do that all the way until it's off. There we go. We got one last one right there. Alright, so now we got that off. A couple of our clips actually stayed in the fender, so all we have to do is pull them out of the fender and put them back into here. So we're going to do that, and we're going to get to installing the brackets. Alright guys, so I got this side done off camera. I wanted to kind of get a grip on what I was doing so I could show you exactly how to do it on the other side, because there are 2 separate brackets. So now I know exactly which bracket goes where. So now we're going to come over to this side, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull this trim piece off, and we're going to set the brackets up. Alright, so this one I only have one of those clips stay in the fender. The easiest way to get them out is just with a pair of pliers. I'm just using a rubber glove to put in between the fender so I don't scratch it. So you just kind of grab this here and pry up after you grab it, and it comes right out 9 times out of 10. Like so. So now it's out, almost out, 3/4 of the way out. And we can put this, slide it right back in. So now I'm going to grab my 2 brackets, which are here and here. Now these brackets are labeled. If you look, you can see the left, so there's an L there, and there's also an L here. So the easiest way, excuse me, for me to describe this to you is the one that's more rounded. So you see how this is rounded and this one's not. The one that's more rounded is the one that goes on the hood. So this is going to go on the hood like this with the ball joint part, with the little socket. Let me put this up here so you can see it a little better. So this is going to go in here like this with the little socket facing out towards the outside of the car. So now I'm going to grab one of my bolts that I purchased from Toyota. That seems to have misplaced for a second. Alright, so then we're going to get one of these bolts. We're going to start this. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with this bracket, but this one is going to go down here on the fender. I'm not sure if you can see it, so let me just move here real quick. Alright, and this one goes right down here on the fender. So we're going to put this in here. This one, the little ball socket faces inside of the car. So it faces towards the engine, more or less. And now we're going to take our ratchet with our 12mm socket, and we're going to tighten that down. Let me just locate that real quick. Alright, so we're going to tighten this. Snug that up. We're going to do the same thing up here on the top of the hood. Snug that up. We're going to take our hood strut. Now this is important. The hood strut itself, the body of the strut, you're going to want to be on the bottom, and the shaft is up on the top. So it's going to sit like this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this over here and we're going to clip it to here like that. You're going to slide your clip in, and then we're going to come over here. You may have to lift the hood a little bit like so. Okay. Now this will pop in like so. We're going to take our plastic trim piece here, line it back up, pop it in. Alright, we're going to remove our pliers from under the hood. And now we are going to check the operation of our strut. Hood closes, nice and flush. Hood should open nice and easily. And just like that, we just added hood struts to a 2021 Toyota Camry TRD that did not have them from the factory. Why it didn't have them from the factory, I don't know. It should have. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep in mind you can do this to your LE, your XLE, your XSE, your TRD, whatever trim level you have. If it didn't come with these hood struts, all you have to do is order the parts. You can put them in yourself. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.